Here's another QVT for serging. These are my inseams. So, if you ever serge the inseam of a pants leg or sleeve or whatever, and then when you're done, they're off like this, here's what you can do to stop that from happening. Real easy. Take your seams and match them. Point your seam allowances and towards the back. And pin it. Alright, and after you pin it, here's the easy part. Put it under the sewing machine. Baste across the seams. Right on the seam line. That's all you need. A couple stitches to hold it in place. And then run it through the serger. And guess what? No more skewed seams. Everything's good. If I can get a picture of that. There we go. Whoop. Hope this helps. Make sure you're stitching across the seam allowance.